So we're on Long Lake, just leaving Kent's Landing, I think it's called, in Naples.
Now, what do you think you'd like to try? Would you like to try going up the lake?
What do you think?
Well, we'd have to drop the anchor if we were going to do any still fishing.
Exactly.
Which is fine. I mean, I don't have any issues with that. But the other option would be maybe to go down under the bridge and down into Brandy Pond. And I think Brandy Pond
will be less busy, yeah.
You think it would be?
Oh, yeah. I'm pretty sure. I mean, there's some pontoon rental places there, but as far as, you know, zooming around in a speedboat, they're going to want to come up here, most people.
You think.
You know. The seas were rough, my friend.
Yeah.
We're going under the Naples Causeway. The new one. Well, it's been around a while, I guess, but... So we're going from Brandy Pond.
Going from
Long Lake to Brandy Pond, yeah.
Hey!
Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect time. So we're just floating in the middle of Brandy Pond. And oh, let's see, where is that? And we're just doing some worms. Nice and relaxing. Very relaxing. And we're hoping that maybe those worms would be very enticing, but so far, well, we just started, but so far, no go.
When things get a little dark.
Oh, what was that? See that? I got something.
Good. Get him. Yes, you do get something.
Well, one of the famous little mini perches.
Well, that's that's not a mini perch, that's a nice white perch. Good for you.
Yeah, there we go. Little food wagon. Food pontoon. I wonder if they have cold beer over there. Cold beer. Cold beer. Look at that with a little noise. That's great.
To the gas motor, and even though we'd be trolling a little bit faster,
yeah,
I think it'll be good.
Okay.
And I do think wait again.
Oh, we did? Look at that sunset, huh? What do you think made it do that? It was just marking a minute ago. See that? Isn't that nice? Brandy Pond, Friday night. Maine's a good place to be. But Jim's still having problems with that fish finder. You get it going?
Nope.
Pretty good action with white perch. We've got some pretty decent sized ones. And a lot of dinks. But it's been really good so far. Just trolling slow with worms and just some split shot. And then what are those spinners? Trout spinners?
Yeah.
Jim's working on a kerfuffle. We had a little kerfuffle with the lines. Yep.
What's that?
Oh, we got some loonies. We got 7 loons. It doesn't want to focus. Maybe that way it'll focus. It doesn't want to focus. We'll just do it out like that. I've never seen that many together.
Is that wild?
That is wild.
That time that Ann and I saw that gathering of them, there must have been a dozen of them in one bunch.
Cool. They're nonplussed about us, right? Which is cool too. It's amazing how much better the phone cameras are in the last couple of years. Big old stars and stripes. You guys catching some white perch? Look at that. That would be my guess. Would be white perch. Naples Causeway. Looks like Wildwood, New Jersey. Jim's gonna kick in the turbo pretty soon. He's been saving it for the last minute. Look at that. So we noticed too the Songo Queen over there. Focus very well. Can't focus. Songo Queen. that doesn't go down the Songo anymore, but it's still called the Songo Queen. Look at that party! Oh my goodness! People are having fun. Songo Queen. Oh my goodness! What is that? Oh, they're playing YMCA. It's fun to blah blah. And look at that. I'm gonna back it up. Oh look. Oh my goodness. People having fun. Oh yeah, look at that. Jim, there's a lot of people on that boat. You see that? Holy snikes.
Looking how low in the water it was.
Yeah. Special AP report. Songo Queen capsizes. Everybody swims to shore. Look at that light show. That's like a discotheque right there. It's giving me memories of youth. Look at that. Oh, goodness. Fabulous. It's jumping down there. Songo Queen. Yep. It's jumping, and then somebody's doing fireworks, and it's not even the 4th of July. Jim says that that's what they like to do.
Common occurrence.
Very nice. We're the last people in the parking lot. Yes, nobody else is here. Hopefully they didn't lock the gate. If they have a gate.